Is a powerful and compact NAS designed for high-speed storage, backup, and multimedia applications. The chassis is designed with efficient ventilation to maintain optimal airflow and cooling. Moving to the front, gently open the front cover by releasing the clips, revealing the internal drive bays. Once the front cover is removed, you can clearly see the 4-bay hard disk trays. By pressing the clip on each tray, they can be easily unlocked and removed. Now the internal chassis is fully visible, giving a clear view of the organized layout and accessible design for upgrades and maintenance. Our goal is to replace the existing chassis fan module in the QNAP TS-464 to maintain proper cooling and performance. Start by unlocking and removing the plastic cover using the release button below the chassis. Now taking a closer look at the details. Then carefully disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard. Carefully note the color code order of the fan wires before disconnecting to ensure correct reconnection later. Next, move to the back of the unit and remove all 4 screws securing the fan module, allowing safe removal of the old fan. Before installing the new fan, verify that its specifications match the original and compare the wire colors to ensure correct connection. Insert the new fan into the chassis and securely fasten all the screws before connecting it to the chassis. Reconnect the power cable to the correct header and neatly arrange the cables as before. We have successfully completed the fan replacement for the chassis unit of the QNAP TS-464, and now it's time to test by connecting the power and ensuring the system and new fan are running properly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more technical videos.